Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. So most of the Shopify store outdated and confusing. But the truth is design can double your sales. So if you can make it better design, you can get better sales. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to design a modern professional Shopify store in just 5 minutes. The same process I use for my client that make $1,000 monthly. Still in the end, I will show you the biggest mistake what beginner makes and how you can fix very fast, and then also I will give you some FAQ so that you can take your perfect decision, and then also I will give you some tips, and then also I will give some what kind of people exactly people making mistake every single day. Guys, look at the design, look at the website. Is this good? So just think about that. They actually on the home page they're showing the not banner, nothing else. So first of all, they should have a banner, and then they should have a featured product, they should have a collection, they should have a best selling product. This way they should design. They are actually showing all the product that people can directly buy from here. This is the not a professional way you can sell. So you have to make your store looks professional. And as you can see here, actually image not showing. So if you make your store like that, you never get sales, and by the end of the day you will push somewhere, hey, dropshipping not work, dropshipping like that. So don't do that, guys. Step 1, choose your fundamental, choose a theme. So step 1, go to Shopify theme and then search. You have to search like down, craft, sense, something like that. So I'm gonna click on the online store, and once I click on the online store, I have to wait for a couple of seconds. And after that, you have to go to the very bottom and click the visitor, the paid, all theme store. So here we will get all the theme. There are clean theme, like easy to customize. You can filter free or paid, all this stuff. So if you have got the bit of budget, so paid themes like Impulse and the free premium themes converts better. Okay, so like for example, Pregestis is also free theme, so if you want you can use that, guys. And then also, guys, as you can see, drawn theme people are actually really liking, and as you can see, it's totally free. So if you want you can use that because 99% already using that, and this is doing better performance. So I want to give you some one biggest question. 99% people actually asking me free or paid theme, which one exactly I should choose. So the answer is pretty simple. Start with the free and upgrade later. Focus on learning, not spending. And most of the people are making one common mistake that I want to tell you, like installing multiple themes at once and stick on one theme perfectly before switching. So in this video you will use the sense theme. So let's click on the try theme. So once I click on that, it will actually adding in my store. So as you can see, our theme actually adding here. So we will move into the step 2 that like for example, we have to make a professional homepage that actually convert. So once your theme actually added, click on the publish and click on the publish again here. As you can see, my theme have been public here. So first let's click on the customization. So one of the biggest thing I want to tell you, your homepage is not a direction, it's a first impression. So here's what we will do for our homepage. And first of all, the perfect layout will be hero banner with the main product and shop now button, and then we will also put like a 3 key benefit and showing why the products matter, and best selling product section, and real testimonial, and clean footer, and best trust based and policy. So first, guys, we will add our product image on over here. So as you can see, if you want to change anything on the Shopify, click on the section, and then after that you have to click on the section, and then at the right side you will be able to change anything. Okay, so let's click on this image, and after that I will choose one of the product for of my store. So let's select this one. So our image have been added here. So it's time to add our text. So you can use ChatGPT, like for example, go to the ChatGPT, search ChatGPT. So you can use something like product title. As you can see, give me a heading based on my product. So you can paste your product title, like for example, what can you say? So let's go to the Amazon, click on the one of the product, like for example, copy this product name and go to the ChatGPT and paste it the product title here. So ChatGPT will give you heading. So as you can see, ChatGPT giving me heading, so it's too big. So I will say give me shortly. So ChatGPT will make it short and make it more better. So let's click on copy it and then go to the Shopify and come to over here and click on the text and then paste it. So as you can see, it's like a very we'll keep it like that, and then we'll give the shop now, and then we'll link up all the product. So that is our banner. So as you can see, our all the product actually showing here automatically. So for that, next you have to click the add section, and once you click on the add section, as you can see that there you can, if you hover over, you can get the text. So we will take the multi-column, and then we will put our 3 product benefits. So we will make it at the very top, and after the hero section. So here we will keep like 3 benefit. Okay? Because I have taken some fake review or fake benefit. So this is the first benefit. So we can say something like, let's copy this one. Okay, so let's go to my store. And over here under the column heading, I will paste it. This is the benefit 1, and then after that I will paste the second one. So let's come to the ChatGPT, guys, where it is. So let's copy the subheading. So just this is I have written for the just for example, guys. Okay, So let's copy on this subheading and paste it on over here, and let's remove the unnecessary space from here. Okay, that's done, heading and subheading. So we will also change the heading. I will show you how I changed it. So let's do this sort of same way. So let's copy this one, and after that I will paste it as a heading on over here, and then after that I will paste this subheading. Okay, so let's copy this one. So guys, that's really important, because 99% people actually not adding the more value into their store. They're actually not confirm about their like what they're doing, all this thing. So let's copy the second one, the switch, and copy this one. And I said that given to me fake example so that I can show you, so that you can do it by yourself whenever you create your store. Okay, and let's paste it, copy, Control A, Control X, and paste it on over here. So by the way guys, this is my agency website called Creative Web Boost. So if you want to create a free store, just we are gonna create a free store with the 5 products. So that's really important to see our still how we can help you. And if you have a less budget, I think that's gonna be a great option for you. So if you want to learn more, go to my agency website, and then you can see my portfolio on over here. So you can do it everything. So if you refresh it over here, so you will see all of my portfolio. If you click on the portfolio, you can see all of our previous work, live project, client meeting, and then our collection page, product page, all this stuff. Okay, now let's move into our again Shopify store design. So here you can keep the button like shop now or buy now, like for example shop now, and then you can link up with all the product, or you can keep it as it is, or you can actually delete the button. So let me show you how you can remove the button. So if you remove this one, so the button will be removed from here. Okay, so right now we have to add the heading for this column. Okay, so to heading first, for this reason we have to go to the chat GPT. I will say give me a best heading for 3 benefit. Okay, so let's see exactly chat GPT what heading giving us. So okay, so we are gonna copy it from here, but then we actually go to the again Shopify and paste it under the column. So that's pretty much it. So if you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller like that. So this way you can do that, guys. So that's totally depend on you how exactly you want to make your website look. After that we will keep the best selling section. As you can see, all of the product actually showing here. We can keep it like, if you, as you can see, all the some of the product title is so much big, some of the small. So that's totally depend on you how you will set up your product. So let's, for example, I want to set up the as a best selling in this collection. Let's give the name best SE double selling. So SE. So guys, one more important thing, as you can see, this actually making space. Why? Because this title actually is small, long, and this is small. So that's why it's looking like that. So if you keep it all the title same, so it will be look like, it will be more professional. Okay. So guys, after that we will have to keep the real testimonial. To add the real testimonial, we have to download a app that's called Jasmine. So let's go to the Shopify and click on apps. So you have to search the Jasmine. So like for example, anything charts here, and then enter it, and then it will take you to Shopify App Store. And once you come into over here, you have to search the Jasmine apps. Okay, so GUD judge. So if you search something like that, you, as you can see, there are actually a lot of apps showing here. So Jasmine product review, you have to click on over here, and then after that, as you can see, Jasmine product review have been installed here. So one thing I'm gonna do it here. So for example, if I click on here, so as you can see, you will be able to see product description and pricing, all this thing you can see from here. And I already downloaded it, so that's why it's actually showing open. So if you not download here, we will show the install. So once you download, you have to click the open, so it will open here. So let's remove the unnecessary tab. As you can see guys, this is the review app, so all review page. Okay, so from here you can come into the review. So it will take the start free trial, so you're not gonna go, we will go back. So guys, once you come to the Jasmine, you have to click on the review, and then under the review guys, as you can see, we don't have a review yet. So as you can see, here's the import option. So if you click on the import, it will show you that where from you want to import review. So you can import from looks, you can import from any apps, so you can import from any e-commerce platform like Insta, AliExpress, Amazon. So I'm gonna click on the let's click the import from platform. So if I click on over here, actually showing the update required. So the latest update content improvement ensure the best experience for you customer. So we will update you the permission allows to following read, publish, language, and support language widget to email. So click on the next. So guys, we actually install another plugin called Jasmine Review Importer. So same way as I install the apps before, so you can follow the exact same step. So for example, I want to input product for this input review for this product. So let's search this product name on AliExpress. So for example, this is the product name. Let's go to the AliExpress. Guys, once you come into the AliExpress search bar and click on over here and paste it. Okay, search it. So as you can see, they have a lot of product. So from here you can see like a order, and I want to click this product, and let's click on this product. And from here, as you can see, they have it to 231 reviews. So let's copy this URL and go to the Shopify and paste it over here, import it. So as you can see, how many number of review you want to import. I want to import the 15 reviews, and then also product. You have to make sure this is the product, and this, as you can see, if I click again import, as you can see, the language you can change all this. If you click on the advanced settings, so you can also country filter. Just if you want to add only from USA, only from Canada, you can also filter it. Minimum number of reviews, so I want to add 5-star, 4-star. So review must have a picture. If you want, you can also select that. Let's click the import review. So it will take for a while, and this way guys, like as you can see, view import the progress. If you click on over here, as you can see, the product actually importing here. So guys, you have to wait for a couple of seconds until this is importing. So it will take for a while, like for example 5 to 10 minutes or 3 to 5 minutes. That's totally depend on your internet. So you will wait for that, and then let's click on the again online store. Now we will customize our footer, because we will add some trust pages, all this thing. So let's click on the customization, and let's first set up our footer. So let me scroll down. Let's click on over here. Okay, so let's add more item. This is the footer sign up option. So if you want, you can change the color. I will keep it black, and let's change the color. I want to also keep this black. Okay, so let's keep the black, and then also let's click on over here. I want to make it black. Okay, so the scheme color, that's gonna be, if you want, you can also add more scheme. So that, for example, if I click on over here, as you can see, the color getting changed. So all these things, guys, you can do it from here. So you can make it black, all this thing, that's what depend on you. So I'll keep it this background color. Okay, so just I'm showing you how you can do that. So this color I will make it black. So let me go to the very bottom, let's make it black. So as you can see, color getting changed, so I will keep it as it is, and then also let's click on the save option. So let's go to the again footer, and let's click on over here. Let's go here, click on footer, click on the add block, and you can add the menu. I will add 2 menus. Let's click on the another menus, and I will add our logo pasting option. So trust pages, images. So here we can add our logo, so you can drag and drop like top and bottom. So here let's click on over here. So let's click on the reflex menu. So from here I will add the main menu. So main menu actually will show here. So let's click on the second one. So I'll click the reflex menu, and I will add the privacy policy menu. So let's, for example, main menu, final menu, you can select one of them. So you can select logo, and then also you can do it like that. So let's click on the image. So from here you can add your logo. Suppose this is my logo. Let's click on over here. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my logo have been added. So this way guys, you can customize everything. So guys, let's move into the next. So guys, I already show you how you can customize your footer. So let's move into the product page. So it's time to customize our product page. Let's click on the product page. So once you come to the product page, this is the where visitors actually become a buyer. So use the big product for photo and clean product filter, short bullet point, benefit, and a strong call to action. Okay, so you can add like bullet point. So if you click on the add, from here if you click on the text, so you can add bullet point. So like for example, free SSI shipping over $50. 50, let's keep it $50. Okay, so you can add something like more bullet point, like click on the duplicate. As you can see the duplicate, so you can add multiple bullet point that build actually trust. So you can do it like that. And then also we have to add the review and trust pages. So if I click on the, as you can see, you may also like, so here I will click the add section. I will click the image with text. Okay, so let's click on over here image with text. So I will add this product more information on over here. So if I click the select product and click on over here this one, and I will add some text and benefit. So you can keep it, you can control the image medium, smaller, bigger. So that's totally depend on you. You can also control the position, middle, center, alignment. All the will be center, middle. So you can also the mobile alignment, and then also you can change the background color as well. So let's click on the color. So as you can see, you can control like that. That's totally depend on you. This customization totally depend on you. Okay, so it's time to add the review. So let's click on the section, and then click on the apps. As you can see, Jasmine review widget. So Jasmine carousel. So let's click on over here. As you can see, Jasmine carousel have been added. So if you want, actually you can have to click again. So Jasmine, all the review actually show here from 50 reviews. So whenever customer will be preview this page, they will see the review. Okay, let's click on the save option. So here's the common question. 99% people ask me like, should I add a product review? And then also they actually ask, should I add the product for video? So this is even like can be 10 seconds. So you must need to add the product video or review, so that actually build trust for the people. Okay, so your customer, when they come into your website, they actually, it will build the trust. Okay, another mistake people making, they actually directly copy the supplier description. That's totally wrong. So write a description, like for example when you explain to your friend and how you explain, so this way you have to write the description by your experience. And also I will give you some essential apps that you must need to install that actually build trust, actually build sales and increase trust. So first we will install vitals for upscale and review. So let's get to the Shopify store. So once you come to the Shopify store, you can sometimes buy vitals. Okay, as you can see, if you write it vital, so this app should actually show here. I already installed it. So if you have to click on install, and from here you can add a lot of review and widget on all this stuff. So it will actually upscale your store. Okay, so as you can see guys, this is the looks of the vitals. So I will create a specific video how you can actually add and use vitals. So that's really important. 99% people cannot use this app, so it's really essential and that's really important. Okay, number 2 guys, we will install Pagefly. So to install Pagefly, we will go to the Shopify again, search the Pagefly, Pagefly. Okay, so if you search the Pagefly, as you can see Pagefly app front of you, so you have to click on the open. I already installed it. So as you can see, the Pagefly have been imported here. So as you can see all the Pagefly. Okay, so Pagefly looks will be like that. So you have to click the updates. So whenever Pagefly will update, so it will look actually will be like that. So once you come into over here, as you can see, this will be Pagefly looks. Okay, so whenever you come on over here, the front of you will show Pagefly, and from here you can create a specific page. As you can see, if you click on the page, you can click the page. Let's click the create from black, and then you can create from templates. So regular home page, for which page you want to create template, product page. So if I click on the product page, as you can see, a lot of product template which will actually show in front of me. As you can see, those are all the product page. So as you can see, all the product page, actually this is high converting product page. So if you want, you can use them guys. So that's all about the Shopify Pagefly. So now we will install the another apps called Reconverter for thank you page. So let's search in Reconverter. So if you search it, then it will actually show here. So Reconverter, so you have to install this one. So let's click on over here, install, and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds and click on the install from here. So it will take for a while. As you can see, installing Reconverter. So as you can see, please click the button below, and if you are not redirect to in 2 seconds, click on over here. So yeah, you have to wait for a couple of seconds once you come into over here. So as you can see, you have to approve the bill. As you can see, let's click the approve. Okay, so that's been approved. So right now we can customize and control everything for the Reconverter. Okay, so let's wait for a couple of seconds. It will take some time. As you can see, set up product page, cart page, you can set up everything, cart drawer and checkout and post purchase thank you page. If you click on the thank you page, let's set up now. So if it will take to the next step. So most popular, you can select this one, next. So you can set up the discount and go to the thank you page. It will take to the direct the thank you page. So guys, that's not about our store designing process. So I will create another video how you can set up the Reconverter for the thank you page and all this stuff. Actually I will show you. So from here guys, you can add this slot one. If you click on over thank you and then customize, you can go. As you can see, this is actually showing here. So if you go back again, you can install, you can add a lot of things actually. Okay, so as you can see, referral widget. So you're actually showing me another widget. So guys, this way you can add a lot of widget. As you can see, this slot one widget actually showing here. So thank you page is very important, that will target more people to buy your product. That's the main thing. So guys, let's move into the next. And guys, so and then also guys, that's it for the Shopify apps. And also one more tips I want to give you, like too many apps actually slow down your site. So it actually slow down meaning, so whenever customer come, your site is slow, they will quit your store and then they will never buy. And a lot of people ask me that can I skip the app. So this is very important question. So it's really okay, you can skip, but few more apps actually build your store more trustable, and then also it looks like a pro. Okay, your store looks pro. And also a lot of people actually thinking that they actually, if they are installing trending app, they will get more sales. Okay, that's totally wrong. Don't do that. Use only those apps that actually direct sell and boost your trust and build conversation. Okay, so now it's time to review everything. So we'll go to the Shopify store. Let's come to the Shopify store. And as you can see, actually chatting option. So let's click on the preview, and from here, and then also what we'll check, we'll say font and consistent color. As you can see, all the fonts look same. So if you want, you can also change the font, and then also button link up. So you can check the button link up. So if I click on the button, as you can see, it's taking to the product page. So that literally depending on you can do that. And test checkout on mobile phone. So if you go to the shop now and click on the one of the product, okay, and if I click on the checkout, and let's click on the checkout, and as you can see everything actually working properly. This way you have to check up everything, and once you feels smooth, so hit publish button. So once you see everything, so you have to go to the Shopify online store, and from here you can publish your store. Okay, so if you don't publish, like we already publish it, if you don't publish, you can publish by clicking here. Okay, so if you click on here, over here, it will take the publish. Okay, so many people actually asking me when I will get my first sale. So once you design, earn trust and traffic, like based on your niche, and design actually attract customer and market actually convert to customer. So this way actually you might get a lot of sales. And one of the mistake 99% people actually making, they actually expect result in overnight. That's really wrong. So wait for a couple of months and years and test it day by day and upload organic content on social media, and then you might get a lot of sales. One tips I want to give you that actually build trust and like actually like set up your mindset. That is like you have to make your store change day by day, like weekly or monthly, and update the image, update the change, update the layout, all these things you can do that. So guys, that's pretty much it of our video. I hope you found this video helpful. So if this helped you, hit the subscribe button. I actually build a tutorial that actually make money for your brand, not just a view. And if you are really like think about that, I want to review restore, so go to my agency website called Creative Web Boost. So if you can come into my agency website, once you come into over here guys, you can actually contact with me, you can schedule with me, I will help you to set up your restore, I will review everything. That's pretty much it. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day.